Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2018 Toyota Highlander Limited. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. 19-inch Chrome Tech alloy wheels, performance tires, auto headlamps with delay off, fog lights, a heated wiper park, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 6,570 miles. The flip-up rear window, a rear wiper, the power liftgate, LED brake lights, a spacious cargo area with a third-row seat, and a comfortable second row with climate control. The front row power heated and cooled leather seating with driver memory, dual-zone auto climate control, a garage door opener, a push-button start, and a leather steering wheel with convenience controls. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the entertainment and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.